What's up, guys? This is Dr. Guru. In this video, I will be talking about bubble sort algorithms, the two methods in which you can implement this algorithm, which is iterative method and the recursive method. But in this very video, I will only be talking about the iterative method, how to implement it using Python, and the beauty rather of the algorithm. So let's go to my screen and let's get to the business.
So here we are. So let's start with the time complexity of the program, which is big O of n squared. So what this basically mean is the runtime of the algorithm. And as a matter of fact, this sorted algorithm is actually not ideal because the time complexity here shows that as the input size increases, the the program becomes slower. So it's actually not okay because of this. But when we talk about the space complexity that is here, the space complexity shows that, which is big O of 1, shows that the program doesn't use extra memory. Okay, so that is basically what time complexity and space complexity means. And my advice is this: if you don't know much about big O notation, I will suggest you look it up, or if you want me to make video on it, I will say you should comment that below, indicate, so that I can make I can make videos on big O notation, so you understand what time complexity and space complexity is, and different type of time complexity that we have, and all sorts. So, but let's dive straight into writing or implementing bubble sort algorithm. So there are two ways in which bubble sort algorithm can be implemented. Like I said earlier, one is iterative method, and the other one is um, a recursive method. So we are going to start with the iterative method in this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to carry out the recursive method. So let's start. So the first thing we are going to do is to create a function, okay, which takes in an argument. So I'm going to look through this list. So the next thing I'm going to do is to check if this algorithm, if the data that is provided is already sorted. If it is sorted, I won't I will break this program so that it doesn't run or try to swap it again. Basically, what I'm just trying to do is to make the program more efficient. I don't want it to continue to run at big O of n squared. So if I break the program, if it is sorted, then it means it's going to just run big O of n linearly, and nothing happens. Just look through and give the data as it is. That is if it is sorted. But if it is not, then try to sort the program. So in that case, I'm going to say sorted equals false. If list So basically, what I'm doing here is that I'm actually trying to look through the data and compare the first element and the adjacent together. If the adjacent, which is here, I'm saying if j is greater than the next number, if j equals to the next value, then is greater than the next value, then I'm going to swap and make the next value to start first, which is j plus 1, and then this one will come second. That is basically what sorting bubble sort actually works. That is how it works. You compare the first and the adjacent number together. If the adjacent value is greater than the first value, then you make the adjacent number the first value. Hence, you just leave it the way it is. So that is the first thing. That is what I've just done with everything that is going on here. That is exactly what's going on there. So then I will say sorted equals to if sorted equals false, then I want it to break. Okay, that is if the argument is sorted. If the list is sorted, then I don't want this to take place. I just want it to print the array. Just want it to go through the array and print them, and that's it. But if it is not sorted, I want this to take place. I want the program to run and then get sorted. So the next thing is to supply all the necessary values. So here I will say list equals, so let me just put some value. Let me say 9, 8, 3, 2, and put this as an example. Then I will call my function bubble sort, and we take the parameter list. Don't forget that. Sorry, argument. Then I will loop through the new sorted array. So I'll say for I in range length list. Print. So I'm going to print the list. Then I will end the line, each line by comma. Okay. So this is all you need to do. Okay, it's actually very straightforward. It's very simple to implement. You can write this code and try to implement it and see how it works. So let me run this and see if this value is going to be sorted according to the order of their magnitude. Okay, and that's it. As you can see here, it is arranged properly. All right, so that is basically a bubble sort algorithm. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to implement this same bubble sort but using recursive method. All right, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel because there are so many algorithms that will be implemented, that will be shown on the channel, that will be discussed, and that is what we know in this channel, and that is what we will continue to give you. And being able to implement algorithms basically is going to enhance your coding skills. And then if you are going for interviews, in fact, most giant tech companies, what they do is just ask questions. All their questions is based on algorithms. So if you stick to this channel, you are definitely going to learn a lot. So subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.